It feels really great. I mean, I really love the cover. I love me.
Thank you so much. So, question is, Casey, how would you define your equation with Salman? Can you elaborate on the cover quote?
Yeah. What? Yeah, I was asked a question that how was it working with Salman. So, yeah, it was a great experience working with him. He's a great guy, and he's a great co-star, in fact. And yeah, and like it's not hidden. He's a very caring person, and he cares a lot for me. And I'm blessed to have a person like him in my life.
You call him your godfather.
No, no, I have only one father. Yeah.
Rumors are a big part of the glamour industry.
Yes.
So, how do you deal with them when they get a bit personal?
You just ignore them. That's how it is. It's like fire. If you're gonna, just say, I don't know the metaphor, like I don't know the proverb what they use for the fire thingy, but the more you stress over it, it's your life that you're screwing up. So it's better to keep away from it. Like, okay, read it and laugh about it and just move ahead. Yeah.
You recently said that you don't want Salman Khan to get married.
Yeah.
Can you elaborate on that?
Okay, I have a funny take on this too. So I would say that I am one of his fans and I don't want him to get married. On the second hand, I feel I haven't found anyone yet who can help me change that thought of mine. So the day I find that person, the day I think that okay, this is the guy I want to get married with, that day I might change my statement. But till then, I don't want my friends to get married.
At a recent event, you actually wished Julia and Salman the very best in life. Is Salman Khan getting married?
I never mentioned both the names together. I really wish a very happy life for my friend. Other is my friend's friend, so not much that I know of her.
Is he getting married soon?
The news have not even come to me, so I have no idea about it. If you know it, please tell me.
I don't know.
See, we are in the same boat then.
Next question.
Yeah.
What would be your dream co-star? Of course, you work with Salman, but besides them,
Given a choice, I would only want to work with Salman Khan again and again, but that's not how the industry works. So rather than working with actors and directors, I would want the script and the characters to be more strong enough than the other aspects.
Can you tell us a little about your future projects?
There are 3 projects down the pipeline, but sadly I can't speak about it right now because nothing is on papers. Once the things get finalized or whatever it is, like another 3 weeks, and after 3 weeks there will be a news out.
If you had to choose, which one would you play, dancing or acting?
Both, it goes hand in hand. I'm like most of the time girls in the movies, like it's recently like last 3-4 years where we are actually making women centric films. Before that, if a girl did not know how to dance, she would not be an actor. So it's like icing on the cake. If you're an actress and if you know dancing, the things get more easier because you can emote better.
Would you like to do a women-centric film?
I would love to, yes. A biopic maybe.
Hi.
Hi.
What are your fitness and beauty features?
Fitness, being a dancer, I have always been very physically active. So now, just to cope up to that time and all, I do a lot of cardio, weight training plus Pilates. So it's 3 things. And for beauty, I think it's just I drink a lot of water. Like, to be honest, I don't do anything to my hair and skin. I just keep it very simple. Moisturize, face wash, that's it.
How would you describe your personal style?
Challa, probably.
Hardly, you're so elegant.
But I prefer wearing, like, I love being in my pajamas most of the time. Given a choice, I would wear a pajama right now, but I can't because the fashion police will rip me off completely. So, yeah, my personal style is very casual, very simple. Like, clothes that complement my body.
Whom do you inspire in dance?
Madhuri Dixit, yes.
Why? Why do you
She is like I have couple of songs. If you see Madhuri ji's, there are like 3-4 girls dancing with her, but it's only Madhuri that you see and nobody else. You know, she has that charisma. I don't know what that is, but I am so starstruck by her. Like I don't want to see the other 4 girls. I just want to see her.
Next question. Is Salman your mentor or your friend?
He's a friend. He's a mentor. He's a Hitler. So he, yeah, he is. I had this statement come up much earlier actually. So yeah, he can be like he can be a mentor. He can be a friend. He can be a Hitler, depending on the situation. If you have done wrong, then he'll be a Hitler. If you've done really good, then he is a friend. And if you're going wrong somewhere, he's a mentor. It's like that. Yes.
Enjoy your fitness levels.
Yes. He does. He does. Like he doesn't train me, but then he does keep a track of it, that what I'm training on.
Apart from singing and acting, would you like to sing in future?
I would love to. Yes. Thank you for asking me that question. I am like doing my singing classes right now. So let's see in few months. Sorry. Don't embarrass me. Come on, there are so many cameras here. I've sung a song earlier. It's not that. Which song do you want me to sing?
Anything, some few lines.
Anyone from your movie?
Okay. So write my name down on a piece of paper and strike it off when I'm not needed. But remember this once and forever, that I'll be there when you need me, because I love you. I love you till the end.
What's that? Cool.
Next question.
आप मुझे सलमान खान के सवाल पूछना बंद कर दो, मैं उनका नाम नहीं लूंगी. जैसे लास्ट टाइम मैंने इग्नोर किया था क्वेश्चन, पर मुझे वापस रोक दिया गया और मुझे सेम क्वेश्चन पूछा गया. सो वी आर लेफ्ट विथ नो अदर चॉइस. वी हैव टू आंसर द क्वेश्चंस दैट यू आस्क अस. Please stop asking me questions about Salman Khan. I'll stop answering the questions then.
Daisy, you come from a non-filmy family.
Yes.
So, how have your, how proud are your parents of you? And, of what you've made?
I don't know about being. My family is basically, we do not express our feelings towards each other. Like we know, okay, my mom is doing good, my dad is doing good, my sister is doing good, and my daughter is doing. It's like that. They are like, maybe they are very proud, they are really happy, but we are so emotionless people outside that we don't even show.
Okay.
The emotions have been saved for the movies only, I guess.
Okay, last 2 questions.
Daisy, how is it to work in the South film industry compared to Bollywood?
For me, it was really good because it was like working experience there. Since the language is completely alien, so not knowing the language and you have to emote, it's much tougher than what it happens in Bollywood, because I know the language and I'm quite comfortable with it. So it was a learning experience. It was like a polishing craft for me there. But working there, yeah, there's one thing that they are very, very, very punctual about their timings, which Bollywood is sadly not.
Okay, last question.
There are few projects down the pipeline, but I cannot reveal the names right now.
Hindi or Bollywood
Hindi.
or South?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much, everyone.
Thank
Thank you so much, Daisy.
So इसका मतलब समझ लिए ना, सलमान खान के ऊपर कोई क्वेश्चंस नहीं पूछना आज के बाद.
Is it down, please?